Please stand up and let's have our prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay. Good morning, class! In this class, we will be having two rules. So, the first rule is, if you have an answer or something, or you want to clarify something, please raise your right hand. And the second rule is that you should listen carefully. Okay, so what was our last topic? Very good. So now let's have an activity. So first, let's divide you into 3 groups. So this will be the first group, the second group, and the third group. Now, each group should pick at least one spokesperson. Okay? Then I will show a word, and then ang gagawin nyo is mag-brainstorming kayo, tapos i-summarize yung mga ideas ninyo, tapos summarize yung ideas ninyo about sa word na ipapakita namin, tapos yung spokesperson ninyo after 3 minutes ay i-share sa bawat isa, or pupunta sa harapan at i-share yung yung inyong sagot. Okay. Very good. So now let's have an activity. So first, let's divide you into 3 groups. So this will be the first group, the second group, and the third group. Now, each group should pick at least one spokesperson. Okay? Then I will show a word, and then ang gagawin nyo is mag-brainstorming kayo, tapos i-summarize yung mga ideas ninyo, tapos summarize yung ideas ninyo about sa word na ipapakita namin, tapos yung spokesperson ninyo after 3 minutes ay i-share sa bawat isa, or pupunta sa harapan at i-share yung yung inyong sagot. Good job, everyone! So, let's proceed to our second activity. So, ang mangyayari is, the same groupings pa rin. So, tapos, magbibigay kami ng mga random words, another random words, tapos, ang mangyayari is, bibigyan namin kayo ng 10 to 15 minutes na i-discuss yung mga, or mag-meeting kayo about ito sa words na binigay namin sa inyo. Pagkatapos ay magkakaroon kayo ng you need to do na mag-present kayo ng creative presentation about sa word na binigay namin dito sa gitna within 2 to 3 minutes. Our topic for today is violence against women. Okay, so our topic for today will be violence against women. Pag sinabi natin violence against women, ito yun siya yung mga bagay na mga ginagawa sa mga babae na mga hindi dapat, kagaya ng mga rape, prostitution, discrimination. So diba most sa isang society, diba most of the time is discriminate yung mga babae. Yan siya yung topic natin for today. So violence against women or VAW is mayroong dalawang uri. Ito ay ang sexual at physical na violence. So now let's proceed to the first type of violence against women, which is the physical violence. So pag sinabi tayong physical violence, ito yung mga from the word physical. Physical means yung parang physical yung pag-violence ba, yung kagaya ng yung gamit ng mga kamao, pagsuntok sa babae, di ba? Violence against women. So gets physical violence. Okay, so since naintindihan nyo na ang physical violence, punta naman tayo sa psychological violence, which is under siya sa physical violence. So, pag sinabi natin psychological violence, From the word psychology means thinking. Pag sinabi ng psychological violence, ito yung parang pagmamanipulate ng pag-manipulate ng gumagawa ng violence sa isang victim. Mangyayari dito is magiging unhealthy po ang mental health ng isang victim, or pwede sometimes nga magkakos ito ng pagiging unstable ang kanilang mental health. Okay, gets ang psychological. Okay, so now let's proceed to the violence against women in public spaces, which is will be reported or discussed to you by Sir Robles.
Vow in public place is for example is victims is inabuso at ginahasa ang isang victims. Yun yung example ng vow in public space. Photography, prostitution, sexual slavery, and sexual trafficking. For example is isang victim na yung kanyang katawan ay parang yung binibinta sa ibang tao. For example, katulad ng tumatrabaho sa club, yun yung for example ng yung photography. Number 4 is abuse of women and intimate relationship. For example is kahit na mag-asawa kayo, kahit nakasal pa kayo, pero yung victim ay parang ina-abuse pa rin ng kanyang asawa. Okay, number 5 is the impact of vow. For example is yung victim ay nahihirapan na makipaghalubilo sa ibang tao kasi marami na siyang nagawa o marami nang nakikita sa kanya na hindi mabuti, kaya yun ang for example ng the impact of vow.
Now let's have our next activity, which is entitled as Pinaikot-ikot na nga, sasagot pa. Okay, so ang mechanics nito is ako ay mag-spin ako ng battle sa center, at kung saan na grupo ito nakatutok, yung point niya is doon. Yung group na yun is magkakaroon ng 20 seconds na mag-explain or mag-share ng kanilang mga thoughts about sa discussion natin. Good job, everyone! So now get a 1/4 sheet of paper and answer this question. What are some national and international policies that call for vow or violence against women?